Hey, and welcome back. So today we're going to talk about sharp and smooth. With the sharp, basically it's very exact. You get right into it, you know exactly where you're going, and the pictures are really clear. With your smooth, how it opposes because it's very continuous. For me, smooth sort of never ends, never feels edgy, but it's just flowy and keeps going through the music and the beats. So, in order to demonstrate that, we're going to do a drill, and we will practice doing sharp and smooth as standalone textures and then blending them together. So let's get started. Okay, so as I was saying, sharp and smooth differ because one is very exact and the other one is smooth and continuous. So learn this little drill with me so that way we can demonstrate how they are different. Step on the right foot, pull the elbows in, you're going to push away, and then you're going to lean back with your head, go to the other side, come back in. This is very continuous. So when we hit it, go the other way. Boom, ha, boom, ha. All right? So in that drill in itself, it's giving you sharp and smooth. But first, let's just see how that feels if we did that entire thing sharp. When I step into that move, I go right there. I know exactly where I'm going. It's very exact. There's no question about it. And when I push back, boom, again, it goes right from A to Z. Here, here. I'm gonna go around the other way, pull it in, ha. Okay? Cut the wind like a knife. Let's try it 4 times, slow. 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, cutting through, very exact, sharp. Now let me show you what that feels like if I were to do it smooth. Light as a feather, okay, continuous. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeps going. 6, 7, 8. Ha. Yes, you felt that smooth? It was gooey. There wasn't no strong squeeze of the muscles. Instead, I'm just like, I'm stretching. I'm not squeezing them. Stretching, squeeze, stretching, okay? Or just, okay? It's so light. Now, I'll show you what it's like when you do both of them together. I'm gonna start sharp, and I'm gonna do the transition smoothly. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sharp, smooth. Sharp, smooth. Sharp, smooth. Sharp, smooth. Smooth, sharp, smooth, sharp, smooth, sharp, smooth, sharp. You see? Those are different textures. Sharp and smooth. Very good opposing, contradictory textures. And what I feel like the other ones I'm going to explain all sort of fall from this tree. Yeah, they're different in other ways, but I feel like a lot of it is just relating to smooth and sharp. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.